Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make text move on Capcut. So basically this guys is the floating effect that is popular nowadays. So let's get right onto it. So going over on your Capcut app, let's add text and let's customize this text. So let's put a random text here. So there, go to style. And let's go ahead and change the italic, so bold. You can also change the font. Okay, so basically you want to export this first. So let's align the text layer to the top layer. And make sure that the background is black like mine. So okay, after doing that, let's go ahead and download or export. So done. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's add the video that we've exported. Okay, so let's head over to effects. So make sure that not holding anything, so go over that and go over to effects here, the bottom, and make sure to tap in video effects. And once you are here, you need to select this one. So under lens, make sure to select edge glow, and you can also adjust the glow however you want, so just up to you. And once you are here, let's make sure to check mark and align the video on the layer. So let's create another effect, so video effects again, and go over to distortion and make sure you choose the ripple distortion here. So as you can see, you can also adjust it how you want. There. So once you're done, you just have to check mark, and as you can see, let's see if it worked. And as you can see, you've now created the effect and you've now made the text move. So okay guys, that is how you can do this. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.